Oh shit! I thought I was tripping. Look who it is. Ryan Reynolds. What? No way. I thought he had like a cab driver or something. Where's Wolverine at, man? He's tripping. Don't toot your ass up to me, man. I won't do that. He's tripping. I was like, wait a minute, what am I seeing? This dude is tripping. He got the plastic sword. Now, he could be the real, you know? That's crazy. What Wolverine, man? That is crazy. I was like, man, what am I seeing? What am I looking at? That is crazy. He's tripping. Oh, no, man. Oh, they got us. Oh, he about to show. He about to show his ass. Oh, he about to put on the show. He got the gold Desert Eagles. He got the gold Desert Eagles. That man is a fool. Oh man. I mean train capital. I came this way to avoid the goddamn train. I'm still dealing with the train. Full and mascot, man. Goddamn DeadPooL. That is hilarious. I'm your biggest fan. That's too funny.